Welcome student. Today we start topic quadrilaterals. If A, B, C, D are 4 points in a plane, let's take a 4 point A, B, C and D, that no 3 of them are collinear. Just you see here 3 point is not a collinear, and the line segment AB, BC, CD and DA, AB, BC, CD and AD do not intersect except at their endpoints. All line AB, BC, CD and DA all are only intersect at endpoint, not intersect at other point. The figure formed by these 4 line segment is called a quadrilateral. Here A, B, C and D is a vertex of the quadrilateral, and in this figure 4 line segment, it is called the side of a quadrilateral AB, BC, CD and DA. 4 line segment of the quadrilateral and 4 vertex A, B, C and D, and 4 angle of a quadrilateral. It is represent angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are represent another type of, just like angle A means angle DAB or angle BAD, second angle ABC or angle CBA, angle C BCD or angle DCB and angle D CDA or angle ADC. Angle is represent directly, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D are represent in this way. And in this quadrilateral having 2 diagonal, one is a AC, another is a BD, 2 diagonal AC and BD. Adjacent side of a quadrilateral. 2 sides of a quadrilateral which have a common endpoint are called the adjacent side. Means here AB and BC common endpoint be a B. BC and CD common endpoint C. CD and AD common endpoint D. AD and AB common endpoint A. Means in this figure, given figure, having how many adjacent side? 4. First is a AB, BC, second pair AB, BC, second is a BC, CD, third pair CD, AD and fourth pair AD and AB. Here all point be having one common endpoint B, here C, here D common endpoint, here A common endpoint. And then next, adjacent angle of a quadrilateral. 2 angles of a quadrilateral having a common arm are called the adjacent angle. Means common arm, just like AB. Here angle A and angle B is a adjacent angle because both angle having a one common arm AB. Means here in this figure how many adjacent angle? Angle A, angle B, because here one arm AB. Second adjacent angle B, angle C, because arm common arm BC. Third angle C and angle D common arm CD. And fourth angle A and angle D common arm AD. Means here 4 pair angle A, angle B first adjacent angle pair, second angle B, angle C. Third, angle C, angle D. And fourth, angle D and angle A. Then, opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Two sides of a quadrilateral are called opposite sides if they do not have a common endpoint. Here AB and CD, two opposite sides, because both line not having any common endpoint. Means in this figure, how many opposite side? Two. First is a AB CD and second is a AD and BC. How many pair of opposite side? Two. Just here AB, first pair AB and CD, and second pair is AD and BC. Then opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Two angles of a quadrilateral which are not adjacent angle are known as opposite angle. Which angle? Means not adjacent, then it is called the opposite angle. Angle A opposite is angle C, angle B opposite angle D. Means in this figure be how many opposite angle pair be? Two. One is a angle A pair, angle C opposite angle pair, and second is a angle B and angle D.